Do you have a leaky or cracked seal around the door of your dishwasher? Well, I'm Dustin, Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the seal on this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and JennAir. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The tub door seal on this Whirlpool dishwasher creates a watertight seal between the dishwasher's door and the tub. This one-piece seal runs up one side, across the top, and down the other side of the tub's opening to keep water contained during operation. Over time, the seal can wear out, crack, flatten, or become brittle from heat, detergent, and repeated use. It can also become misaligned or pull away from the tub. When this happens, you may notice water leaking from the front of the dishwasher, moisture or steam around the door, visible gaps, or a loose seal. Other signs that the seal needs to be replaced are cracks in the seal or mold or persistent odors around the seal. Replacing a worn or damaged part can restore a proper seal and helps prevent leaks. If your dishwasher is leaking, also inspect the lower door seal at the bottom of the door, as both seals work together to keep water contained. If the lower seal is worn or damaged, check out our video on how to replace it. If you need to purchase a replacement door seal for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the door seal, open the dishwasher's door all the way and locate the seal. For filming purposes, we are going to remove all three racks, but that is not necessary for this repair. Starting on either end of the seal, slowly pull the seal away from the mounting channel on the dishwasher. Make a mental note of the orientation of the old seal for installation of the new one. Once it's removed from the appliance, discard the old tub door seal. Check and clean the seal mounting track for any debris or remnants of the old seal. When ordering a new door seal, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For genuine quality OEM parts, check out partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the correct fit. When installing the new tub door seal, be sure that the flat side of the seal will be installed against the wall of the tub, with the ribbed edge being pushed into the seal channel. To install, first fold the seal in half to find the center of the seal. Either mark the seal or hold it at the center and start pushing the seal into the mounting channel directly under the door latch strike plate. Start inserting the seal into the channel and press it in all the way until it fully seats. We have found that wetting the seal with a damp cloth can make the installation process much easier. Moving either left or right, work the seal into the channel slowly, making sure that you do not stretch the seal while you move forward. Take your time and be sure that the seal is fully seated before proceeding. As you enter the corner, work slowly, being sure not to stretch the seal as you work it into the channel. Visually inspect that the seal is smooth and flat without rolling in or out. If it isn't flat, pull the seal back out to where it was installed correctly and start reinserting the seal from there. Once the corner is installed correctly, continue to move down the side until you reach the end. The seal should come all the way to the base of the tub and have roughly an inch of overhang. If your seal is too short or too long, pull the seal from the track and reinstall it, being sure not to stretch or bunch the seal. The door seal should not be trimmed. Returning back to the middle where you started, repeat the process on the other side. Again, be sure not to stretch the seal while you install it. After finishing the second side, compare the excess lengths at the end. If there is a noticeable difference between each side, pull the seal out and make any necessary adjustments so both sides are close to equal. After the seal is installed, double-check the entire seal for stretching, bunching, rolling, or bulging. If the seal looks good, close the dishwasher and run a test cycle for leaks. Once the seal does not leak, your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.